This compact Takki portable solar generator pairs a roughly 240 watt-hour battery with an included 40-watt folding panel, giving you a self-contained power kit for camping or outages without needing a separate solar purchase. With a 300-watt continuous output and multiple alternating current, direct current, and fast-charging universal serial bus ports, it comfortably runs small essentials like phones, tablets, cameras, and low-draw appliances at the same time. In real use, the battery capacity is enough to top off phones and tablets many times, or keep a continuous positive airway pressure machine, small fan, or compact refrigerator going for several hours during an emergency night. The foldable monocrystalline solar panel is light, easy to pack, and reasonably efficient, so you can realistically recharge the station from sunlight over the course of a sunny day instead of relying only on the wall charger. Both the power station and panel are small and light enough to carry in a backpack, making this setup practical for car camping, short off-grid trips, or keeping in a closet as a grab-and-go backup. Helpful touches like the built-in battery management system, automatic cooling, and clear status indicators make the unit feel safer and easier to live with than many budget portable power boxes.